Want to check your iPad battery health and ensure it stays in top condition? Here's how to do it. Checking battery health on iPad. Step 1. Settings and usage. Open the Settings app, go to Battery, and tap on Battery Health. Here, you'll see the maximum capacity of your battery. Step 2. Third-party apps. Use apps like Coconut Battery on a Mac to get detailed battery health information. Step 3. Analytics data. Go to Settings, Privacy Analytics, and Improvements Analytics data. Look for files named Log Aggregated and check the battery health data there. Methods to improve iPad battery health. Step 1. Optimize settings. Lower screen brightness, turn on auto brightness, and use Wi-Fi over cellular data. Step 2. Background app refresh. Disable background app refresh for apps you don't frequently use by going to Settings, General Background App Refresh. Step 3. Update software. Ensure your iPad is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Step 4. Avoid extreme temperatures. Keep your iPad out of hot or cold environments to prevent battery damage. Step 5. Battery drain apps. Identify and manage apps that consume a lot of battery by going to Settings, Battery, and checking battery usage. Step 6. Charge properly. Avoid letting your iPad battery drain completely. Charge it when it's between 20–80 for optimal battery health. Let us know your experience in the comments.